So Sneha and I were just at a conference, and 1/3 of the audience in construction is actually using AI. They're using ChatGPT, they might be using Gemini, but most of them are starting to realize that they can actually create AI agentic bots. Why is that so important right now? Why is it important to have your own bot?
So traditionally, you will have bots that would, question, answer, tell you the status and stuff like that. Agents, when they come in, they are actually doing the tasks. So they are intelligent, they are reliable, they can work independently. What that means is, if a thing changes, for example, a material delay or a schedule change, all of that, how does that change your entire project timeline, your schedule, customer communications, all of that can be tackled in just one workflow, as if you were in that role, you would take certain actions because something happened. That's the difference.